Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to share with you the double displacement reaction of calcium carbide and water. Check this out. All I'm using in this reaction is a flask, a stopper, some distilled water, and calcium carbide. Start by adding a few chunks of calcium carbide to the bottom of your flask. Next, pour a small amount of water, and right away you'll see acetylene gas released from the calcium carbide. There's the acetylene gas being released, and it'll build up in the flask. I'm going to put a cork on the top, and we're going to test that acetylene gas with a lighter. As it builds up in the flask, see some of the gas building up. We're going to hold the lighter right up to here and see if it launches the cork from the top. Let's find out what happens. In 3, 2, 1. Oh! It launched. Wow. Okay, so what's happening in this amazing reaction is a double displacement reaction. When you add water to calcium carbide, it changes into calcium hydroxide and acetylene gas. That acetylene gas was flammable, and when it built up pressure in the flask and we ignited it, that thermal expansion launched the stopper. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.